MD crew, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to moisturize my hair a bit with some pink lotion before I apply the gel onto my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and just, pick out my hair, make sure my hair is not tangled or anything. And I decided that I wanted to do like a little side part. So I'm just using my rat tail comb to part my hair. I'm also going to spray a little bit of water on my hair just to loosen it up a bit before I go ahead and apply the gel. And the gel that I'll be using is the Ampro Pro Style Gel, the brown one. I really like this one for buns. I think you guys know that by now. So I'm just going to apply a really generous amount. I know a lot of you guys were telling me y'all have a hard time laying down your hair. Y'all, you have to use a lot of gel, do you hear me, and move really fast, especially when you have natural hair, because y'all know natural hair likes to curl back up on you and it likes to stick up. Alright, so when I'm done applying the gel, I'm just going to take my brush and brush my hair. Make sure every part of my hair is slick and sleek how I would like it to be. And make sure you guys focus on the top part of your hair, because I noticed with my hair, that's the part that would like to stick back up on me. And just make sure you guys are smoothing it really well. As you guys can see, I grabbed my other brush, which is a bit bigger. And I'm also making sure that I'm slicking up my hair in the back, because we are doing like a low ponytail, low bun. And when I'm done with the Ampro gel, I like to follow up with the Got To Be Glue gel, because this stuff is going to give you the hold that you need, especially if you have a TWA like mine. This is going to do it for you. Just don't put it directly on your edges. I just kind of put it all over my hair, but not really on my hairline. Y'all see my hair in the back? I can literally almost put my hair in a ponytail. That is so funny. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my scarves on. I use two, that way my hair is secure in my sleeve, and that way my scarf won't fall off. That would be totally devastating after all of my hard work on getting this hair to lay down. So it's the next day, and I'm getting ready to take off my scarf so we can see. And as you guys can see, my hair is super sleek, slick, and looking good. I'm just gonna go back and lay down my baby hairs, because I didn't do that previously. So I'm just doing that now. But of course, it's optional. You do not have to lay your baby hairs or anything. The hair I'll be using for my low bun is from KlaiyiHair, and this is the hair I used for that high bun. I'll link that tutorial in the description box below. But they did send over 3 bundles and also a closure as well. So I'm just going to be using one of the bundles like I did for the high bun on my low bun. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a elastic band, and I'm just going to take the hair that's in the center that's not slicked down, and I'm just going to wrap the band around it, kind of like doing the banding method, as y'all can see. And then I'm going to take a closed bobby pin and attach the wefted hair on to that little rubber band, basically that little piece of hair, and I'm just going to put it around that part and pin it as I go. Now you want to be patient if your hair is as short as mine. Of course, if your hair is longer, you will just wrap it around your ponytail. But you don't want to move too quick, and then you just snatch out all your hard work, if you know what I'm saying. So just kind of pin it as you go. But in the beginning stages, I'm using closed bobby pins because they're a little bit more sturdy. So you'll just keep wrapping it around, and just pin it as you go. You'll know where you need pins at. You'll know where you want it to feel a little bit more secure at. So that's basically what I'm doing here. By the way, this hair is in really good condition, but everything about it is linked in the description box below. So make sure you guys check there. When I get closer to the end of the ponytail, I'm going to grab 2 closed bobby pins, and I'm going to put one kind of at the bottom of the ponytail, at the back, and then I'll wrap that last piece around, and I'll put another one at the top. And as you guys can see, the hair is now attached to my head and it is nice and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And now I'm basically going to go ahead and make it into a bun. And that's how I wanted to wear my hair. So I'm just twisting the hair around and making it like into a donut. And then I'm going to take my pins and pin it into place. And this is what's going to make it really, really secure, because you're pinning it kind of like outside of where you started wrapping the initial track at. So it's really, really sturdy. Once I get my bun to my liking, I'm just going to fluff it out a bit with my hands just to make it like a little bit bigger and more full. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some Oil Sheen and spray all over my hair, because you guys know gel can make your hair look a bit dull. And this is the finished look of my low bun. I really, really like it. It looks so good. Make sure you guys check out KlaiyiHair. Everything about them will be linked in the description box below, so check there. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you all on my next one. Bye.